Today's adventure is the Lynn Canyon Suspension Bridge. This bridge is 48 meters long and it was built in 1912 in a private venture, I believe. I went to the Capilano Suspension Bridge with a friend the other week and I found it to be so flooded with tourists everywhere. Oh, I've just noticed I'm getting a bit of a cold after New Year's. It was flooded with tourists everywhere and I couldn't really get any good shots, so I'm really hoping today it's just going to be a little less populated. So let's see how we go. Anything for the gram, right? I'm not too sure if you can hear me over the water in the background, but these are the moments that I really value. Lynn Canyon is located about 30 minutes away from central Vancouver, and it's well worth the visit. Over Capilano Suspension Bridge, there are nowhere near as many people here, so if you want some time to yourself and want to try and get that perfect click without anyone in the background, I highly recommend coming and checking this place out. It's beautiful. Not a heap of excitement with this video today, but it's just so nice to be out in nature and take it all in and just take a break from staring at a screen for a little bit. Have a fantastic month. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's where I post a lot of my pictures. Throughout 2018, I plan to really post and keep the consistency going. I'll also have a new gallery where you can purchase my pictures if you like them. I'm puffed, can you tell? See you later.